आज जब भारतवर्ष अपना रिपब्लिक डे मनाने जा रहा है,
It takes years to build trust and moments to break. We have built our trust consistently following our ethos.
और हम लोग देश के साथ साथ या कि ये कह सकते हैं ये देश के पूरे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बहुत बड़ा योगदान आर काबिल का भी रहा है. To sum up in a one word is going to be only Jai Hind.
India marks 77 years as a republic. A journey shaped by resilience and responsibility, built by its people, its institutions, and its infrastructure, powering progress across homes, industries, and the nation. For over 25 years, R. Kabel has been part of this journey.
आज जब भारतवर्ष अपना रिपब्लिक डे मनाने जा रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी जहाँ पे हम देश की स्ट्रेंथ, स्ट्रक्चर और अगर पावरिंग द विजन की बात करें तो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड विच इज़ गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट दिस रिपब्लिक डे. इत्तेफाक से इवन एट आर काबिल दिस इज़ द 26 years ऑफ जर्नी, सक्सेसफुल जर्नी फॉर अस. और हम लोग देश के साथ साथ या कि ये कह सकते हैं ये देश के पूरे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बहुत बड़ा योगदान आर काबिल का भी रहा है.
It takes years to build trust and moments to break. So we have built our trust consistently following our ethos, maintaining our quality of the products and growing consistently. When it comes to electrician, it's the quality of the product which they trust us for. Today R. Kabel is one of the largest exporter in India in wire and not only in wire and cable but other products which the group contributes. So we are absolutely proud of it.
If you go to see whether we talk about the green building, whether we talk about the energy efficiency, all this is being contributed by R. Kabel because every product that we manufacture at R. Kabel is not only trusted in India but globally as well. If you go to see हमारी R&D innovation उस level का है where we are producing wires and cables for future ready houses. That is how we are contributing. But what we believe at the core of it, that every product that comes out of RR is not only safe, trusted globally, but it is also an innovative product line which are contributing to the houses which are coming up in future of India.
The culture we follow in our company, within our group, within our employees, that's what is standing us tall.
अगर मैं इसे one word, it's very difficult to find one word because there is so much to talk about India, there is so much to talk about R. Kabel. To sum up in a one word is going to be only Jai Hind.
On India's 77th Republic Day, we celebrate the pride of building for the nation.